Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath emphasized Uttar Pradesh's role in bolstering India's self-reliance in defense manufacturing. He inaugurated Adani Group's ammunition manufacturing complex in the defense corridor, highlighting the state's significant transformation. With operations across 6 nodes, including Kanpur, Lucknow, and Jhansi, UP is contributing substantially to the nation's defense sector. Yogi praised UP's progress, citing investments totaling 10.24 lakh rupees crore, and commended Adani Group for their contribution. During his visit to the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, VSSC, in Kerala, Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled the names of 4 test pilots chosen for India's Gaganyaan mission. Among them is Sukhoi fighter pilot group Captain Prashant B. Nair from Kerala. These pilots have completed training in Russia and are now familiarizing themselves with the mission's intricacies at an ISRO unit. The other selected candidates are Group Captain Ajit Krishnan, Group Captain Angad Pratap, and Wing Commander Shubhanshu Shukla. The Prime Minister's visit aims to review preparations for the Gaganyaan mission. The Indian Army has introduced a 46-meter modular bridge, enhancing its engineers' capabilities. Designed by DRDO and manufactured by L&T, these mechanically launched single-span assault bridges offer quick deployment and retrieval. Each set includes 7 carrier vehicles and 2 launcher vehicles, providing increased span, reduced construction time, and improved mobility. This move underscores India's self-reliance in defense technology and enhances operational effectiveness.